Welcome to AutoNation Guide. Today we're sharing the top 5 essential car maintenance tips every new car owner should know. Regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly and prevents costly repairs. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Regular oil changes. Oil lubricates engine parts and prevents overheating. Most cars require an oil change every 6,000 to 10,000 miles or 6 to 12 months. Always check your owner's manual for your vehicle's specific needs. Skipping oil changes can lead to engine damage, so make this a priority. Tip 2. Monitor tire pressure and tread proper. Tire pressure enhances fuel efficiency and safety. Check tire pressure monthly and rotate tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Use the penny test to check tread depth. If Lincoln's head is visible, it's time to replace your tires. Tip 3. Replace air filters and check spark plugs. Air filters keep dirt out of your engine. Replace them every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Clean spark plugs ensure smooth engine performance. Check them every 30,000 miles and replace if necessary to avoid misfires and poor fuel economy. Tip 4. Check and maintain fluid levels. Low or dirty fluids can cause overheating and mechanical issues. Regularly check coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Top them off as needed and use only the recommended types from your owner's manual. Address leaks immediately. Tip 5. Inspect brakes and battery regularly. Brakes are crucial for safety. Listen for squeaking or grinding and get them checked if you notice any issues. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years. Inspect them for corrosion and ensure they're securely mounted. Replace them if they're old or weak. By following these essential tips, you can extend your car's lifespan and enhance safety. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Like, comment, and subscribe to AutoNation Guide for more car care tips and advice. Safe driving.